Let's learn how to get notes in Messenger. If you also want to have this option but don't know how to enable it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will have this option. The first thing you need to do is check if your Messenger is updated. You can do this by going to the App Store if you are on an iPhone, or Google Play if you are on an Android. Once you have opened the App Store, you need to click on the search option located in the bottom right corner. When you click on that, type in Messenger and a page will open where you will see Messenger. If it says Open next to it, then you have the latest version. If it says Update, click on that button and wait for it to update. If you still don't have this option, then we need to clear the cache. Go to Settings, and once the settings open, you will see many options that are not useful for this tutorial. For this tutorial, you need to click on the General option. After clicking on that, a page with more options will open, and on that page, you need the iPhone storage option. When you click on that option, a page will open with a list of applications. Find the Messenger app on that list and click on it. Once you have clicked on it, a page will open where you need to click on the Offload App option and wait a little. After it finishes, the same place will have the Reinstall App option, which you need to click on. When you click on that, wait a little for it to finish, and you will have the Notes option on your Messenger account. If you followed all the steps and still don't have this option, be patient and wait a few days, and it will be there. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.